Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce some of the new products on my right hand, the merchandiser cooler single door glass door units. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, about like a 27 inches wide. And the depth about like a 23.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 76.5 inches tall. As we can see the front of the units, they come in with the banners on top of it. They have LED lights in their side, and the power switches is right here in the middle. You can control it. And when we're looking down of the units, we can see they do have a door lockers right here, and also have a small digit temperature controls at these positions. When you're looking the behind of the units, the manufacturer offered the 110 plugs, and also they do have a compressor mount at the bottom too. On top of it, they have a stickers. It's about like a cut sheet informations, diagram informations. And when we open the door, so this door is soft closed actually. So when we look in the inner side, we can see the LED LED strips on the side and the ETL sanitation stickers on side too. And also when we look in the top of the units, they come in with the air circling fans on top of it. And the water jeans connection at the behind connects the board to the bottom directly. And the manufacturer also offered the adjustable heights, the shelvings, and coming with the bottle racks too. And for the inner side dimensions, it is about like a 17 inches deep and 24 inches wide. And the clearance of this access is about like a 51 inches tall. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.